Hair loss. Hair restoration. If you suffer from hair loss and you're looking for hair restoration, I probably just got your attention. Hey everyone, my name is Joe Tillman and I'm a hair restoration expert with over 20 years of experience. And if you've done any sort of hair restoration research on YouTube, you might have seen one of my videos where I'm traveling the world trying to find the best hair restoration options for you. Yeah, and it just so happens that I found one in Arizona, and that would be Dr. Sharon Keene at Physicians Hair Institute in Tucson and Scottsdale. Check out these results! Fantastic result, extremely natural. Another case of 1,500 grafts. Dr. Keene knocked it out of the ballpark here. Not a lot of grafts, but man, that's a good result. And the result just really, completely changed his appearance. Looking like a hipster mountain man, and his hair looks fantastic. She's able to get astounding results. Dr. Sharon Keene of Physicians Hair Institute in Tucson and Scottsdale, not only is she one of the world's greatest hair restoration physicians, she also happens to be in your own backyard. Go check her out and tell her that Joe sent you.